Math in 3 with Mrs. Z. Let's find the pattern between 2 points without graphing. We can find the pattern between 2 points by counting on the graph, but we can also do this with 2 subtraction problems. The first thing that you'll need is 2 points. To differentiate between the points, we give them little numbers. This is the first point, so we give them little ones. The second point, we give a little 2 to. So now we're going to subtract the y values. y2 minus y1. That's going to give us a number for y. Then we'll subtract the x values. x2 minus x1. That will give us the number for x. Then we take that number that we got for y and we divide it by that number we got for x. Let's take a look at an example. So the first thing that we'll do is identify our values. This 3 is an x, and this 2 is also an x. 4 is a y, and 8 is also a y. We want to differentiate them from the first point to the second point. Then we're going to take y2 and we're going to subtract off y1. So 8 take away 4. That's going to give us 4. We will also take x2 minus x1. So 2 take away 3, that gives us -1. We put the y value on top of the x value and simplify. So the pattern between these points would be down 4 over 1, down 4 over 1. And that's how you find the pattern between 2 points without graphing. This can also be known as slope, and the letter that we use for slope is M. It shows the movement between the 2 points. Down 4, right 1. This was Math in 3 with Mrs. Z. Please like and subscribe below. Thanks.